course. That's why he's called it.
And this is the reason why he's got 1 million followers, because they give him airtime.
Dominic, carry on. So what then did you see? You saw them swarming
all
over the players.
No, it's a wild bird.
So they were basically trying to get into any seats that they possibly could. Now, it's obviously opportunistic, Simon. I will agree with you on that. I don't believe
waiting for my pancake.
the part of the area, the stadium that you were going into.
That's not how it's framed in the media, though, is it, Dominic?
Well, hang on a second. No, hang on. You're asking me about my list. I don't work with the Times. You mentioned the Times to me there. I have nothing to do with the Times.
Well, I wasn't accusing you of the answer, Dominic, was I? I was observing the media's reporting.
Right, well, okay, well, semantics, but... right, well...
No, it's still...
Anyway, let's get back to what
bigger one.
Yeah.
So,
maybe
I did see people trying to...
Boy and girl, yeah?
Stan Collymore was there. Stan Collymore was confronting the people who'd run in. You could tell them a mile off that they hadn't paid to get in. There were people fighting back and trying to get them out and trying to restore order. But the stewards were absolutely overwhelmed. There was no police in the vicinity. There was no... the reason it became out of control inside was because the stewards who were being paid pittance, some of them were volunteers.
This one?
Yeah.
They were trying to make sure that nobody else got in from the outside. But meanwhile, inside, those who had got in were just having free reign.
What was the policing like, Dominic? Because we can't get some sort of sense of how much police were involved in policing the perimeter to get into the whole prevention.
Dominic, think about that for maybe 1 minute, because for the next minute we'll take a brief headlines bulletin and then we'll come back to you. Dominic King, back with you in a minute.
White and Jordan on Talk Sport with Selco. Trade prices exclusively for tradespeople. Find your local branch at selcobw.com.
Everyone needs some Uwak. Well, now you can head down to Admiral Slots Casinos for some cracking casino slot games. Like 20p roulette. Keep bet roulette.